Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to check battery health on Android device. So for checking up the battery health in Android device, guys, firstly you have to go to Play Store to install a third-party application, and the name of the application is Ampere. So this one is the application, by the way. Then install this application and then tap to open. Okay. So when you open the application, this type of interface come. Here we have all the things about the battery, status, plugged, level, and health. So right now we are talking about the battery health, and as you guys see, the battery health of my device is good. And basically, if your phone battery health is above 80%, so it will come in good. And if your battery health is below 80 and above 60, so your device show fair. But if you're talking about the bad health, so your battery health is below 50%. So right now my phone battery health is good. That means the battery health is above 80%. So that's how guys we can check the battery health in any Android device. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.